It took us 30 minutes to make $3. That's $6 an hour. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. This is Melissa. She's coming with me today. We're doing Uber Eats, so this is my third day of doing Uber Eats, so I'm gonna make a week-long summation video, but in today's video, I'm just gonna take you, it's a Sunday, and yeah, we went out and did it last time. Do you remember how much money we made?
We made $36?
Yeah, like 36 bucks for 3 deliveries. So we're gonna do some more today, and yeah, this is my first week of doing Uber Eats, and I'm actually enjoying it. What do you think?
It's really fun, yeah, especially with friends.
Yeah, better with friends. I don't know if that's technically allowed, but that's what we're doing. So yeah, we're gonna take you along today. We'll try to make I don't know,
another 30 bucks.
No, we'll try to make like 100 bucks today. So follow us around today, and we'll keep you updated on how much money we make. And yeah, use the link down below to sign up for Get Upside to save money back on your gas fill-ups. And there'll be other links down below too if you want to sign up for Uber Eats or whatever. But yeah, without further ado, let's turn on my app and get started. So one thing I do like to do when I'm doing these apps is I always start at home, just so I don't have to like go to my car and start. I like to get my first delivery or ride if I'm doing Uber or Lyft like at home. That way I don't have to like waste gas. So I'm just gonna start here and then get my first delivery and then go. So the first thing I gotta do, take a picture wearing a face mask. You also have to check off these items as well too. I don't drive if I have COVID symptoms. I disinfect at the start and end of every day. I wash or sanitize my hands regularly. Ready to drive. And I'm gonna go online and yeah, let's try to get an order. Last time I was like declining a bunch trying to get a bigger order, so we'll see how big of an order we get. $3?
Wow, so much money.
Decline, sorry. I'm not going to Del Taco for $3. I feel like at a certain point they're gonna tell me like you're declining too many rides. Sorry, we don't want you anymore. I know one time with driving Lyft, I was declining a couple rides and they actually logged me off and said, hey, we logged you off because like only be online if you're gonna accept trips. Another $3 one.
It's a 15-minute round trip this time too. Even worse.
Even longer.
Yeah.
Should I decline it again? Okay. We're starting at like the worst time. It's 2 p.m. It's right after rush hour, lunch.
Yeah.
But it's Sunday, so it's like late lunch. Okay, come on. I gotta accept the next one.
No matter what.
No matter what.
You know, it's a $3 one for 30.
$3 though? Are you serious?
For 30-minute ride.
And I have to drive all the way around for $3?
It's even worse with the gas.
I'm sorry, Uber, but that's horrible. Giving somebody $3. Imagine being, okay, I'm gonna go to Del Taco, pick up all this food, deliver it to you, wait for the food, then deliver it to you. Oh, here's $3 $1 bills. Thank you. No tip.
Wow.
No thank you, bro. If you do Uber Eats regularly, let me know. Is that normal for a Sunday afternoon? To get multiple $3 requests? No thank you.
Maybe you should do the next one anyway, even though it's $3.
Yeah, maybe I'll just pick the next one just so I don't get that, just so I don't get dinged again. Keep my acceptance rate pretty high. Maybe they won't send me anymore.
Well, maybe because there's not a lot of places around here. Like if you go to a more crowded place with more restaurants.
There's a lot of restaurants around here.
Okay.
All right, guys. I know we said we were gonna accept the next one, but $3 to pick up $3, dude. Are you serious?
It's a 13-minute total trip.
To pick up Chinese food, bro. I'm sorry, but I don't want my car smelling like Chinese food for $3. Decline. Give us a better order. Guys, we need to get deactivated out here. Okay, I legit have to accept the next one though.
Yeah.
I'm just hoping it's like a Starbucks or something at least, just so it's like easy. I don't want to pick up like a whole bunch of Chinese food in my car for $3. No, thank you. No?
No.
All right, guys, come on. Big money, baby. Big money, baby. Let's roll the dice. Actually, last time I did this, I declined a bunch, and then I got a $15 one.
Oh, maybe
so,
that's the move here.
Yeah, but then I went to the store and they said the food wasn't ready, or they said they never got the order.
That's so annoying.
And then I was on hold with Uber for 20 minutes, and then they gave me $3 as a cancellation. And I was like, bro, I've been waiting half an hour.
That's what your time is worth. $3 for half an hour.
Guys, if you guys seriously do Uber Eats, do you guys accept these $3 orders? Like, it takes 20-30 minutes to do that? That's like $6 an hour. Do you guys do that? Let me know. Or do you guys just decline all those? That's ridiculous. It should at least be $5. $5
right?
minimum.
$3, can't even buy a small Starbucks drink with that.
Yeah! That's barely enough to cover my black coffee. No cream, no sugar at Starbucks. All right, let's go, baby. Big money, big money, big money. I feel like I'm at a casino right now. Come on, baby. Let's get a good one. Let's get a good one. Let's explore the map while we're bored.
Ooh.
Let's see what's going on in Senegal. Or maybe the orders are bigger over here. Maybe we could take a little trip to Mali or Timbuktu. Get some trips over there. Maybe take a little boat ride down the river.
That sounds fun.
Delivering some Uber Eats. Actually, do you know there's a guy who delivered Uber Eats on a helicopter?
No way.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah, you guys should definitely subscribe to him. Look at that. Delivering Uber Eats using a helicopter. Oh, you know how many $3 orders I need to get highlights?
A lot.
Alright guys, we got a $3.01 order now. Yes, we're gonna get rich. It says 19 minutes total, and right now it is 2:23 p.m. So I'm just gonna accept it just so I don't get, you know, canceled or whatever. Let's see exactly how long it does take to complete this one. So here we go. I need to click on it before the timer runs out, and I'm gonna click on it now. Oh, just made it. Alright guys, so 2:24 p.m. Let's see how long it takes. Alright guys, we're off to do our first delivery from Panera for $3.01. Are you excited?
Oh, I am excited. So much
Guys,
money.
we're getting rich today. $3.01.
$1.50 each.
$1.50 each, guys. What are we gonna do with all that money? Buy a lollipop or something. Quick car check. This is what we're using for Uber Eats today. What is this? A 2016 Toyota Camry?
2017.
2017.
Yeah.
Pretty nice, pretty good gas mileage. But yeah, let's go. It's 2:37. It took us 15 minutes to get here. So yeah, basically once we're here, I'm just gonna show you guys how it works. But once you're here, you click here and then you click on their name, and this is what they ordered. So you got to go in and make sure they have all that. And then once you do that, you just check it and then click start delivery. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it. Alright guys, so I just got in the car. We have our delivery, our food ready, and now we have to drive 8 minutes to get to our customer's house. And it's pretty close, but yeah, we're gonna drop this off really quick.
Yes.
How you having fun so far?
I'm having fun so far.
Oh, by the way guys, we got front row parking at Panera. Like, pretty awesome. That did feel good.
Yes.
One of the times I did have to do Postmates, I had to park 20 minutes away.
Oh my
because there's no
God.
parking anywhere. And even when we did at the Spectrum, like we had to walk, what, 5 minutes at least?
Yeah.
10 minutes maybe. So when you have front row parking, that helps a ton. Okay, we're gonna, we'll check back in with you guys soon.
Bye.
Alright guys, so we just dropped off the first order. I did want to show you guys, you do need to take a picture for most drop-offs. So as you can see, I just took a photo by the door and you can see clearly that the food is there, just so they know that the food did get delivered. And then once you do that, click done. And if it's verifying photo, oh, and I even ask you, where did you leave the order? And I'm just gonna click outside the front door. Click done, and then just swipe. And I did want to go offline for a second just to show you guys that yes, we received $3.01.
Wow.
Awesome. And my weekly summary so far, just so you guys see my progress for the week, $39.82 so far. We're almost getting to 40 bucks.
Wow, we're so close. I'm so excited for $40.
$40.
For 3 days.
3 days. All right, guys, so we are actually waiting for our next delivery, but we decided to kind of chill in this park area and wait for our next delivery instead of sit in the car.
It's so pretty.
It is pretty. Whoa, did you hear that? Pretty.
Wow. So funny.
So funny, yeah. So yeah, guys, we're just waiting for our next delivery, and we're really hoping. What are you hoping for?
That's at Chipotle.
Yeah, because we actually want to eat Chipotle, so we're hoping that our next delivery is from Chipotle. That way we can get food for ourselves as well.
Exactly.
And basically use the money that we get to pay for, like, at this point, all we're going to be able to get is like chips with our money. But yeah.
With $1.50 each?
Yeah, we gotta split.
No, we can get like probably a side of guac, right?
Side of guac's like $3.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah. So guys, we're just waiting. Oh wait, we never said how long it took. So it's 2:56 now. We started at 2:24, right?
Yeah.
So it took 30 minutes to make $3.
Wow.
How do you feel?
I feel so accomplished.
Guys, literally, it took us 30 minutes. Guys, it took us 30 minutes to make $3. That's $6 an hour.
No.
If they don't leave a tip, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be real mad. All right, guys, change of plans. Now we're just driving to a Chipotle. We're doing this experiment for you guys watching this because we want to eat Chipotle. So we're gonna drive to Chipotle. I turn my app off and hoping that I do get a ride, delivery from Chipotle. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That way we get paid plus we get to eat. So I don't know if that makes any sense. Yeah. But there are also a bunch of other restaurants around there, so I'm thinking maybe if we get, we could just get our food, drop it off, and then go eat it.
Yeah.
So.
Good plan.
Basically, we're just going to get food, okay? And we're trying to get delivery too, so we can also get paid.
Yes.
But yeah, we'll check back in with you guys once we get there and see if we do get a delivery. All right, thank you guys.
See ya.
What are you gonna get from Chipotle?
A burrito.
Cool, no one cares. All right, bye.
Wow.
Bye. All right, guys, quick update. We got like 4 requests and they were not from Chipotle or anywhere nearby. So we're just gonna eat food and then check back in with you guys later. Bye. All right, guys, big update, guys. We just got back and we finished our food and we're watching this movie, Clueless. But guys, while we were sitting eating our food, chillaxing, watching a movie, I got a tip.
Yay!
I got a tip over $3, guys. So check this out. I'm gonna click on this really quick. Can you hold that?
Yes.
So guys, honestly, this really made my day. No, I'm just kidding. But honestly, I do have to say, on Postmates, I didn't hardly got tipped at all, but Uber Eats, I think every single delivery I've done with Uber Eats, I've gotten a tip. Literally, I'm 100% for tips with Uber Eats.
That's so good.
Yeah, so my weekly breakdown now, 43 bucks. Can you see that? 43 bucks for 3.5 hours of online time. But I did deny a lot of rides, so maybe more like 3 hours. $6.49 for one delivery. Yeah, started at $3 and they left over $3.48. So that $3 trip turned into $6.49. So that's honestly, like, I was pretty happy to get that tip. But yeah, guys, I don't know if we're gonna do any more deliveries. I might just call it a day and go to the beach because it's really, really nice out.
I know, right? It's so nice out.
It's really nice out. Otherwise, we might hop on and do a couple more rides. But yeah, if we don't do any more rides, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please leave a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe, and again, use the link down below for Get Upside to get that gas discount.
Yes.
And yeah, we'll keep you updated, and make sure to subscribe for the next time where we actually go out and do a full 8-hour shift.
So excited.
Of Uber Eats. We're gonna start at 8 a.m.
Okay, down.
Cool. All right. Thanks guys for watching. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.